Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning English. Thank for watching video.
At the park.
What are you doing here?
I am walking. What about you?
I am sitting and relaxing.
Do you come here every day?
No, only on weekends.
I come here every evening.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, my house is very close.
That's nice. I have to ride my bike here.
How far is your house?
About 2 miles. It's not too far.
Do you like cycling?
Yes, it's good exercise.
That's true. I should try it too.
Do you come here with family?
Sometimes, I bring my kids.
What do they like to do?
They love playing on the swings.
That sounds fun. Do you join them?
Yes, I play with them often.
That must be nice.
It's my favorite time of the day.
Do you ever read here?
Yes, I bring books sometimes.
What kind of books do you read?
I like books about nature.
This park is perfect for that.
Yes, it's so peaceful.
Do you carry water when you walk?
Always. It's important to stay hydrated.
That's smart. I bring snacks too.
What kind of snacks?
Usually fruits or nuts.
That's healthy.
Have you ever done yoga here?
No, but I see people doing it.
It looks relaxing.
Maybe I'll try it someday.
We should come here together more often.
Yes, let's plan for next weekend. Buying groceries.
Do you sell apples?
Yes, we do. How many do you need?
I need a dozen.
Would you like red or green apples?
I prefer red apples.
All right. Do you need anything else?
Yes, I need some bananas.
How many bananas do you want?
I'll take 6 bananas.
Sure. Anything else?
Do you have fresh oranges?
Yes, they are very fresh.
Great. I'll take 5 oranges.
Do you want a bag for the fruits?
Yes, please. Can I get some potatoes too?
Of course. How many potatoes?
I need 2 kilograms of potatoes.
Anything else to add?
Do you sell bread?
Yes, it's on the next aisle.
Can you show me where?
Follow me. It's right here.
Thank you. I'll take 1 loaf of bread.
Do you need butter or jam to go with it?
That's a good idea. I'll take some butter.
Salted or unsalted butter?
Unsalted, please.
Here you go. Do you need milk?
Yes, I need 1 liter of milk.
We have regular and low-fat milk.
I'll take the low-fat one.
All right. Anything else?
Do you have eggs?
Yes, we sell them in packs of 6 or 12.
I'll take a pack of 12 eggs.
Perfect. Let me add that to your bag.
How much is my total bill?
It's $25.
Here is the money. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day. At school.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did. Did you?
I forgot to do it.
Why didn't you do it?
I was busy playing games.
You should finish your homework first.
I know. I'll do it tonight.
What subject was the homework for?
It was for math.
Was it hard?
Yes, it had difficult questions.
Do you need help with it?
Yes, can you explain question 5?
Sure. It's about fractions.
Oh, fractions are confusing.
Let me show you how to solve it.
Thank you. That makes sense now.
You're welcome. Always ask if you need help.
What time is the next class?
It starts in 15 minutes.
What subject do we have next?
We have science.
Do you like science?
Yes, it's very interesting.
I find it a bit difficult.
Which topic do you find hard?
I don't understand the solar system well.
The teacher explained it last week.
I missed that class.
Don't worry. I can help you.
Thank you. When can we study together?
Let's do it after school.
Great idea. Do we have homework for science?
Yes, we need to draw a diagram.
What diagram?
The solar system.
I will need colors for that.
I have extra colors. I'll bring them for you.
Thanks a lot. You're a great friend.
You're welcome. Let's study hard together. At the bus stop.
When will the bus come?
It will come in 10 minutes.
That's good. I'm tired of waiting.
I know, waiting can be boring.
Do you come to this bus stop often?
Yes, I take this bus every day.
Oh, me too.
What time do you usually catch the bus?
I catch it at 8 o'clock in the morning.
I take the 8:30 bus.
Do you go to school?
No, I work in the city.
That's nice. What do you do?
I work at a bank.
That sounds interesting.
It is, but it's also very busy.
I'm still in school.
What grade are you in?
I'm in the 10th grade.
You must be studying a lot.
Yes, there's always homework.
I remember those days.
It's not easy.
But it's worth it. You'll learn so much.
How long does it take to get to your work?
It takes about 30 minutes by bus.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, it's a comfortable ride.
Do you take the bus every day?
Yes, it's the easiest way to get to work.
I'm lucky. My school is close to my house.
That's great. You don't have to wait long for the bus.
I wish I didn't have to wait for the bus.
You'll get used to it. Just bring something to do while waiting.
That's a good idea.
You can read or listen to music.
I usually listen to music while waiting.
Me too. It makes the time pass faster.
The bus is here.
Finally. Let's get on. On the phone.
Hello, can I speak to John?
John is not home. Who is calling?
This is Peter. Please tell him to call me.
Okay, I will tell him when he gets back.
Thank you. Do you know when he will be back?
He should be back in about 30 minutes.
All right. I will wait for his call.
Can I take a message for him?
Yes, tell him I need to discuss something important.
Okay, I will tell him.
Is John at work?
Yes, he is working right now.
Where does he work?
He works at a law firm.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, he's been working there for 5 years.
Does he enjoy his job?
He does. He likes helping people.
That's great. I'm glad to hear that.
Yes, he's always wanted to be a lawyer.
How is he doing with his work?
He's doing well, but it's very busy these days.
I understand. How is his family?
They are doing well. Everyone is healthy.
That's good to hear.
Yes, thank you for asking.
By the way, do you know if he got my email?
I'm not sure, but I'll check with him when he returns.
Okay, please let him know it's urgent.
I will, don't worry.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, Peter. I'll make sure he gets the message.
I hope he calls me soon.
He will, I'm sure.
How long have you known John?
I've known him for about 10 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, we've been friends since school.
That's great. Thanks again for taking my message.
No problem, Peter. Have a great day. At the restaurant.
What do you want to eat?
I want a sandwich. What about you?
I will order pasta.
That sounds delicious. What kind of pasta do you want?
I'll have spaghetti with tomato sauce.
I love spaghetti. Do you want garlic bread with that?
Yes, garlic bread sounds good.
I'll have the same with some salad.
Good choice. What kind of salad do you want?
I'll have the Caesar salad.
That's one of my favorites.
Me too. It's so tasty.
Do you want a drink?
Yes, I'll have a cola. What about you?
I'll have lemonade.
That sounds refreshing.
Have you been to this restaurant before?
Yes, I come here often. They have great food.
It's my first time here.
You'll love it. The food is always fresh.
Do they have desserts here?
Yes, they have cakes, ice cream, and pies.
I'm thinking about getting a piece of chocolate cake.
That sounds amazing. I'll get the ice cream.
What flavors of ice cream do they have?
They have vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry.
I'll go with chocolate.
I'll have vanilla then.
Do you want to share the cake?
Sure, we can. It's a big slice.
Great. I think we should also order some soup.
Good idea. I'll get the tomato soup.
I'll have the chicken soup.
That sounds perfect for a cold day.
How long do you think it will take to get the food?
I think it will be ready in about 15 minutes.
That's not bad.
Yes, the service here is fast.
I'm excited to try the food.
Me too. It's going to be so good. In the library.
Can I borrow this book?
Yes, you can. Return it in 2 weeks.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I've never been to this library before.
It's a great place. We have many books to choose from.
What kind of books do you have?
We have books about history, science, and fiction.
I like reading about history.
We have some great history books over there.
Where is the history section?
It's on the left side of the library.
Thank you for the help.
No problem. Let me know if you need anything else.
How many books can I borrow at once?
You can borrow up to 5 books.
That's a good limit.
Yes, it's enough for a week of reading.
Is there a late fee if I return the books late?
Yes, there's a small fee for late returns.
I'll make sure to return them on time.
That's great. We appreciate it.
Do you have any books on science?
Yes, we have a whole shelf of science books.
I'm interested in learning about space.
We have books about the solar system and space exploration.
That sounds exciting.
You should check out the astronomy section.
What time does the library close today?
The library closes at 7 p.m. today.
How long is the library open each day?
We are open every day from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m.
That's a good schedule.
Yes, it gives people enough time to visit.
Can I read books here without borrowing them?
Yes, you can read them in the library. Just don't take them out.
I prefer to borrow books so I can read them at home.
That's a great idea.
Thanks for all your help today.
You're welcome. Enjoy your reading.